Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. I like to think of myself as the Wing King or the King of Wings or some corny name like that because I've done a lot of chicken wing recipes here on Headbanger's Kitchen. I've done garlic parmesan chicken wings, I've done Malai chicken wings, I've done tandoori chicken wings, I've done butter chicken wings, but I have never done buffalo chicken wings. So today's recipe is a delicious plate of keto buffalo chicken wings. Now for today's recipe I have to thank my friend Joe Duff. Now who is Joe Duff? Well, he is a keto chef and you must definitely check out his channel because he makes some of the most insane keto desserts. I will link his channel in the video description box below. But apart from being a keto chef, he's also part of the Duff family that owns obviously Duff's famous wings, and he was kind enough to send me this t-shirt, and their slogan is medium is hot, medium hot is very hot, and hot is very very hot. So most of you know that I'm a spice wuss. I don't like spicy food. So when I saw that and he said, Sahil, I'm going to send you some of our hot sauce, I said, send me the least spicy one. And he did just that. So I've got Duff's famous wings hot sauce, which when I tasted was not actually as hot as I thought. So I guess I am an Indian after all. I do have some spice tolerance. But the flavor of this sauce reminded me of these chicken wings that I had at the Hard Rock Cafe once in India when it first opened, and their food was good. Now it's not, but I digress. Anyway, so I decided to make buffalo chicken wings, and this is the first time I'm trying this recipe, so fingers crossed it's going to work out just fine. And I don't think it's going to be too hot, but hey, you can always use the hotter of the sauces when you make yours. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's get cooking. So the first thing I'm going to do is take 50 grams of butter and put it in a bowl. Then I'm going to microwave it for about 30 to 45 seconds till it is completely melted. Then to the butter I'm going to add some salt, some fresh black pepper, some paprika for that smoky flavor, a tablespoon of full fat Greek yogurt, and some of my hot sauce. Add as much as you want depending on how hot you like it. And of course give it all a good mix. The idea is we're kind of making a sort of marinade for the wings. Anyway, once that's done, we're going to add in our chicken wings and we're going to give it all a good mix. And then I'm just going to set it aside for about 20 minutes to marinate, and on to our blue cheese dip. So for the blue cheese dip, I'm going to take about 15 grams of blue cheese. To that, I'm going to add about 100 grams of full fat Greek yogurt, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and some celery leaves chopped up real fine. And give it all a good mix. And then you just got to put this in your fridge to chill out, and that's how easy it is to make your blue cheese dip. Now it's time to cook the wings, and I'm just going to throw the wings into my baking tray because I realized that the butter kind of hardened up, so it's not working out as well as I wanted it to for a marinade. So we're just going to put the whole bunch of wings in the baking tray and put it in the oven for about 25 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius to cook. After about 20 minutes of cooking, we're going to get the wings out of the oven, and while they look really good already, you can see there is a lot of liquid there, which is the chicken juices and the melted butter. Then we're just going to transfer all of this into a bowl and give the chicken wings a good mix so they get coated in those lovely juices. And then we're going to put the chicken wings back in the oven, but this time we're going to use a wire rack in our baking tray, and you're going to line up those chicken wings and then put them in a really hot oven at about 220 to 230 degrees Celsius for about another 20 minutes to get nice and crisp. Now all those remaining juices we're going to pour into a saucepan, and we're going to put that saucepan onto our stove, and you're going to heat up that liquid and literally boil it till it starts to reduce and get nice and thick and syrupy. So this might take some time, but let that happen. Once you get a nice consistency that you're looking for, we're going to add in some more hot sauce. Oh yeah, and a nice knob of butter, and then just give it all a good mix. And of course, make sure you turn the heat off. And there we have our buffalo wing sauce to douse the chicken wings in when they come out of the oven. After about another 15 to 20 minutes in the oven, the chicken wings are done and they look beautiful, nice and crispy. So once again, they go back into our mixing bowl. Put them all in that mixing bowl, and then, my friends, pour that sauce right over. And then, I won't say it, you say it. Give it all a good... I can't hear you. Scream a little louder. Give it all a good... Anyway, our wings are pretty much done, and now you just serve them with your blue cheese dip and some celery. And oh man, that looks so good, and I can't wait to dig in. Very, very delicious looking chicken wings. Can't wait. Alright folks, so it's time to taste the wings, but as you saw, that wasn't the best cook of my life. I learned a lot during that cook actually, and I'm going to put down all my thoughts in the blog post, which you can find on headbangerskitchen.com, along with the written recipe, the macros, and everything else you need to know about making these chicken wings. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, time to taste. So I'm going to go for the drumette. You know, I only recently learned that it's known as a drumette and a wingette or a flat. Anyway, time to taste. And that blue cheese, not blue chip. That blue cheese dip looks really good. That is delicious. But it's not spicy at all. I am an Indian. The wings are cooked perfectly. And can someone explain to me, why do you all have celery with your chicken wings? I mean, celery is nice. That's crunchy. It tastes good, but what's the theory behind it, or what's the reasoning? Why not cucumber? Why not carrots? Why not anything else? Anyway, I don't know about you, but I'm gonna go back to eating these wings because they are delicious. And once again, thank you for watching Headbanger's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Do give the video a thumbs up. Big shout out to my man Joe once again for sending me these t-shirts and the hot sauce. I really love it. It's perfect. It's not spicy for me at all, and even better with the wings. Anyway, enough jibber jabber. Bye. Oh guys, look who's here. My dad has just walked in from lunch, and you want to taste?
Yes.
You want to take the drumette?
Yes. I had a huge meal with good food, but this I can't resist. Let me check this out. I hate skin, but I love this one. I don't know why, it tastes good.
That's the blue cheese dip.
Blue cheese! I hate it, but I love this one.
You haven't even eaten it.
It's got nothing to do with the food.
These are buffalo chicken wings.
It is yum. I just wish you guys could taste it like I can, but that's not going to happen. I can give you my address, you can come here.
No, don't come here. I mean, you don't give them the address, but there might be some crazy people watching. Anyway, now jibber jabber. See you on the next episode. Bye.
Bye.